Thinking of capturing Morocco's breathtaking landscapes with your drone? Before you pack it in your suitcase, there are some crucial things you need to know about bringing and using drones in Morocco. Trust me, you don't want to get caught off guard by the rules here. First things first, if you're bringing a drone with you to Morocco, you must declare it at the customs border upon arrival. The process is straightforward. Customs will give you a form to fill out, and they'll hold onto your drone for you at the airport until you're ready to leave the country. When it's time to head home, retrieving your drone is just as simple. Take the official document you received back to customs, and they'll return your drone. This usually takes less than 15 minutes, depending on how busy the airport is. Expect to pay a small fee, starting from around $10, based on how long you stayed in Morocco. Now, here's where things can get tricky. If you fail to declare your drone, it will be confiscated, and you'll be brought in for questioning by the authorities. Morocco takes drone regulations very seriously, not because they dislike drones, but due to several incidents in the past where tourists flew their drones in sensitive areas, including near the King's Palace. To avoid all this hassle, it's best to leave your drone at home, even if it's under a certain weight. Carrying and flying a drone in Morocco requires a special permit from the Home Secretary's office. On top of that, each city you visit has its own local government rules, especially when it comes to flying in urban areas, near government buildings, or any other location that could be considered sensitive. You might see some people flying drones in rural places, but keep in mind, they're doing so at their own risk. If caught, they could face a hefty fine, and their drone will be confiscated. In this case, getting your drone back would require legal steps, turning your dream vacation into a stressful experience. So, while Morocco is a stunning country to explore, bringing a drone can complicate things. My advice? Enjoy the sights without the added stress of drone regulations. There are plenty of ways to capture the beauty of Morocco without risking a run-in with the authorities. For more information, visit moroccopass.com.